Hi everyone, here we've got Honor Play 7 and let me show you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app and now make sure that you're on the video mode. So let's tap on this square icon with the camera inside of it. And now we are on the video mode, so we can swipe to the left in order to open the settings. And as you can see, at the very first position, we've got the resolution option, so simply enter. And here we've got some options to choose from. In order to change the option and in order to apply it, simply tap on the one you want to use. For example, this one. As you can see, it immediately changes, so it means that after going back to the camera, we will record videos in chosen quality. So that's all. This is how to change video quality in your Honor Play 7. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.